यहाँ पे मैंने स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया आज आपका पालनी बाइडो और गरिमा गार्ग बाइडो का.
The case of Zubin Garg, it's not for just another person. If someone has done something that wrong, then, and if someone proves to be guilty like that, the ultimate punishment should be given to that person. He has to get the justice.
यहाँ पे मैंने स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया आज आपका पालनी बाइडो और गरिमा गार्ग बाइडो का.
रिपोर्ट दिया क्या?
मैं तो और कुछ कमेंट नहीं कर सकती हूँ अभी बिकॉज द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोइंग ऑन.
বাইদেউৰ ষ্টেটমেণ্ট লৈছে নেকি আপুনি?
হয় লৈছোঁ. বাইদেউ আৰু
Judicial Commission say, I don't know anyone. So whatever the government has decided, the legal system had decided, that must be really, in a right direction, because it's a case of Zubin Garg. It's not for just another person. So I have deep faith in the legal system. They will do the right, everything needful they should do for Zubin Garg's justice.
Many things are coming. Many notifications are coming, and due to the probe of the other band members also, whatever versions are coming, do you think it's a real fact? It is your...
That I don't know. How can I say that? If I had known, I would have already told that. Whatever they have, given in their statements, the investment system, they will do everything. They will inquire. It's a huge. I have deep faith in the legal system, and it's very strong. So they must be going in the right direction. I just have to cooperate, and I have to keep faith in them.
So what do you say about the remand note of Shekhar? So you want to say anything?
If someone has done something that wrong, then, and if someone proves to be guilty like that, the ultimate punishment should be given to that person.
When PM report has been sent to you, so what is serious?
See, I have no idea about about law. I don't know anything, so I don't want to take anything which might help the investigation system, or it might create any havoc. So I didn't keep the report for myself. I don't think it's my private property. Since this investigation is on, I returned it to the investigation officer, and whether it will be with the court or with the investigation officer, they will decide. And if this could be publicized, then I think they will definitely do it.
It is same for the autopsy report also?
That's what he asked me. Post-mortem report, autopsy report, it's the same.
Ma'am, last question. Do you have trust in Assam government or SIT?
I trust in the legal system. I trust in law. So our law is very strong, our Indian law. So I think, and in case of Zubin Garg, they will never, neglect anything. Zubin Garg has to have he has to get the justice, of course.